would like to show you how to prepare prawns. So this one is the one that I already prepared. I butterfly it and get the vein out, and I also cut the front because that is the choppy point over here. Let me show you how. This is the regular prawns. See the choppy point? So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut the chop point over here and also the eyes out. We don't like to see the eyes much. It looks scary. And next, we're gonna cut it from the top down like this. This is the safe way to take care of the prawns. Next, you will use a knife to butterfly it. And see the vein is come out already. Here you go. Our prawns is clean and ready to be cooked. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.